I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, and today I'm taking you on a relaxing walk through one of the most stunning spots in Portugal, Praia do Marinha. Join me and let's enjoy this peaceful place and the mesmerizing sights it offers in 4K. Like and comment on the video to join the exploration. It's gonna be awesome. The Praia do Marinho is located in the impeccable Algarve region of Portugal. This beach is very famous as it offers one of the most amazing landscapes known all around the world. The softness of the sand and the magnificence of its natural arches and rock formations is something you won't find anywhere else. But the best part of Praia do Marinho is, without a doubt, the view from the top. The climate here can only be described as perfect. The sun, the wind, and the sound of the waves fill the whole vicinity, creating a unique atmosphere. Even the fierce ocean breeze here is pleasant, as it helps to create an air of tranquility and peace. We can appreciate the beautiful horizon line and the vast sky, in which the shining sun and the milky white clouds work together to spread a beautiful light all over the beach. On this beach, you can find numerous activities such as fishing, boat rides, snorkeling, and sunbathing, so you'll never run out of ways to explore the area and make the most of your stay. Plus, you can appreciate all kinds of restaurants, terraces, and stores around the beach, making Praia do Marinho a perfect place for future trips. Well, I hope you enjoyed the walking tour. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my latest videos. I'm sure you will enjoy them as well. Leave your feedback, comments, and likes, and I'll be sure to read them. Till next time.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.